Now, how do you save audio to the Files app on an iPhone? And let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So most people capture their audio through the voice memo application, right? So you can find all of your recordings in here. And obviously you can play the recordings back in here as well and everything. But if you want to move it from this app to the Files app, just click on the individual recordings, tap the three dots for more options to appear like that. And we just want to click on the share option, right? So from the share, you can see plenty of different apps. Tap on more again, which are the three dots in here. And we have the ability to save it to files, right? So there's the folder icon. And it's important, to keep the distinction in mind because there is a folder icon with the save to files name and also the folder icon with the move title, right? So if you click on move, it will move it still within the voice memos, but only to a different folders in the voice recordings. But saving to files opens up the Files app where you literally move it to any of your folders. You might create a new one, right? Organize it as much as you like, but it will get the recording from the voice memos and it will move it to the Files app. So this is most likely what you are trying to achieve because from the files, you can use it in multiple different places, right? And you can import it to like video editors or whatever you want to do. It's better to have it stored in the files. So I hope you managed to do what you needed. In case of further questions, leave them below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it because I make so many tutorials, but in order for you not to miss them, ensure you are part of the Foxtecc by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.